In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to World Cup 2026 tickets price. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official FIFA World Cup 2026 ticketing website. Using the official site is important because it gives you the most accurate pricing, real-time availability, and safe purchasing options. Once you're there, sign in to your FIFA account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account before you can fully access ticket details and purchasing options. After signing in, head to the tickets section. This is where you'll find the available FIFA World Cup 2026 matches listed. Take a moment to browse through the schedule and select the match you're interested in. Once you open a specific match, you'll be able to review the ticket categories available for that game. On the match page, look closely at the listed prices for each ticket category. This is where you can compare seating options and understand how pricing changes depending on where you sit. In general, lower priced categories are more budget friendly, while premium seating will cost more. It's a good idea to compare several categories side by side so you can decide what gives you the best value for your budget. If you're looking for a more upscale experience, check whether hospitality packages are available. These usually include premium seating and may come with added perks, but they are typically priced much higher than standard tickets. Before purchasing, make sure you review any additional service fees or taxes. The displayed base ticket price may not always be the final amount you pay, so checking the full total in advance can help you avoid surprises. If the tickets you want are sold out, keep an eye on the official FIFA resale platform when it becomes available. If you use resale, compare those prices with the official face value prices before making a decision. That way, you'll have a clearer sense of whether you're paying a fair amount. Also remember that ticket prices can vary widely depending on the match, the stadium, the seating category, and overall demand. Group stage tickets generally start at around $60 for lower priced categories, while premium seats and later stage matches can be significantly more expensive. Opening matches, host nation games, and especially the